Hey guys, today I will be discussing how to get big on Bluesky. So guys, watch till the end in order for you to have a better understanding on how to get big. So guys, I made this table over here so we can have a deeper understanding. So first step is create a strong profile. So guys, make sure you have a clear profile picture and have a compelling bio, and just simply link your other platform or project into a well-crafted profile so you can attract followers. And another thing is simply post consistently. So guys, by sharing regularly a valuable content, whether it's update, insight, or entertaining post, this will help your account to get bigger, and the more you post, the more likely people will find you. And another thing is engage with others. So just simply like, comment, and repost others users content. So this will help you build connection and increase your engagement into your account and into your chances of getting notice and follow back. And another thing that will be helpful for you to get bigger is use some hashtag. So guys, just simply add relevant hashtag to your posts that will help them get discovered. So guys, providing hashtag will push your post to the people who uses the same hashtag. So this will boost your visibility and make it easier for others to find your content. Another tip that I would recommend is just simply join trends and conversations. So guys, jump into trending topics and add your unique perspective, because this will help some people, and in result it will make your account bigger and people will notice you, and this will increase your reach and join ongoing discussions so people can notice you. And there you go. See ya.